Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Afira Farahdiba, a law student from University of Lancang Kuning. Amid rapid global development and digital transformation, the world of work is evolving quickly. However, these changes do not always guarantee equitable prosperity. Many people, especially in developing countries, still struggle to access decent work. Work is safe, fairly paid, and dignified. Inequality in job opportunities, high youth employment, and the dominance of informal employment remain real challenges. Economic growth, often measured by macro indicators, does not always translate into better quality of life for most people. This is precisely why Sustainable Development Goals 8 or SDG 8 is essential to promote sustained, inclusive, and sustainable economic growth, full and productive employment, and decent work for all. Decent work is not just about having job. It's about securing fair wages, legal protection, safe working condition, and the opportunity to grow. In Indonesia, many people still work in informal sector without contract or legal protection. According to Law Number 13 of 2003 concerning manpower, Article 1, Paragraph 15, decent work is employment that meets occupational safety and health standard, offer fair wages, and respect workers' rights. Unfortunately, for many Indonesia workers, this standard remains out of reach. According to research by Kusumadewi and Apriliani at 2024, open unemployment in Indonesia decreased by 1.2 billion people between 2021 and 2023. But still, in 2023, people remain unemployed. Without serious intervention, skill training, and inclusive economic policies, this figure will continue to hinder Indonesia economic progress. Indonesia post-pandemic economy recovery has been relatively stable, but it is not fully inclusive. If economic growth only benefits a small segment of population and fails to generate equality jobs, it will only exacerbate inequality. True economic growth must be widely felt and equitably shared. This is where the role of micro, small, and medium enterprises or MSMEs become crucial. MSMEs account for more than 90-70% for Indonesian employment and contribute over 60% of the country's gross domestic product. They are the backbone of the national economy. In the context of SDG 8, MSMEs help create jobs in rural areas, empower women and youth, and foster sustainable local development. However, they also face challenges, including limited access to financing, low digital capacity, and inadequate labor protection for informal workers. Therefore, the government must support MSMEs through incentive, training, and fair regulation so they can grow responsibility without exploiting labor. So, truly realize SDG 8, Indonesia must strengthen to quality education and industry relevant job training, ensure fair wages and social protection for informal workers, support MSMEs with financing and digital tools, and above all, enforce labor regulation fairly and consistently. The government has already integrated the SDGs into National Medium-Term Development Plan coordinated by Bappenas. But commitment must be backed by concrete action and people-centered policies. Sustainable Development Goal 8 is not just an economic target, it's a declaration of human dignity. It affirms every individual right to decent, fair, and secure world. Let us build a future where economy growth is not only fast but also fair, where jobs are not just available but also dignified by sustainable. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.